connections are done. So I'm testing the connections now. So to test this pin, I'll be using this pins to connect to these pins inside. We connect it, and for the other side, using this clip. Yes. So what I'll be doing is I'm using a battery to test this. Connect this pin to one end of the battery and this to the other end, and it should light up. So you can, I don't know if you can see it, it's very faint because it's just 1.5 volt battery, but there is actually a very dim light, faint light, so the connection is working fine. And I'll be doing same for other connection, other set of pins. Yep, there is a faint light. And to test the middle pin, since the middle pins are not connected directly, so I'll be joining these two for a moment. Now I can do the same test for the middle pins as well. I can see the light, so the connections are working fine. So I completed preparing the wiring harness. Let me explain what all these things are. So this is a connection extender I built myself using this wire. So basically this goes between the power supply and tail light. So if you see, this is one out of three pins. One is ground, one is brake power, one is tail power. So we'll be passing ground and tail light power as it is to the lights, but I intercepted the brake light power using this wire here. So there is no direct connection, and I connected this cable to a plug here. So it's a waterproof connector. So this will be connected to this long cable, and this will go down to a rear bumper. So at bumper we have trailer wiring harness, so which has the female pin for this one. So we'll connect to it, and then we'll have this green wire will have right turn signal along with brake, yellow will have left turn signal along with brake. So if I install this on the right side of the car, and if I connect this, then I'll be connecting the red to green wire here. So now instead of the original power source, I'll be passing brake light and turn signal power from the wiring harness. So the brake light will work as both brake light and turn signal for me. So I'll be preparing the same thing, one more set of the same thing for left side. That's all. Taking off tail lights. You can see the connector is connected between power source and tail light, and the brake light wire is sent down to the bumper, which can be connected to trailer harness below. So I'll be going back and fitting the light back into its position. So this is the trailer hitch harness I connected to car. So here basically you'll get a cap for this plug. I removed the cap and connected the trailer hitch harness, this, and then I tied up the module, and this is the end 4-pin wire that comes out. So I connected a male pin to it, and I got 4 wires. So one is left turn plus brake, one is right turn plus brake, and the other 2 are ground and tail lights, which I don't need, so I applied tape and sealed them off. So these 2 I'll be connecting to the wires that has come down from left and right tail lights. So here is the wire that has come down from the left tail light. It has 2 things, red and black. So black is the black connected to light, and red has the brake light power, which we don't need currently. So I'll be connecting the black one to yellow light here. Yellow is the left turn signal plus brake, so I'll be connecting the two here. This will stay dummy, and this one will be connected to the black wire off from right side. It's a little different on the right side. You'll have a cover here, so first you need to remove this cover. It will have two plastic screws and two pins. This is the pin, and these are the screws. After removing these pins, the cover will come off, and then you can get the wire from the light housing to the bottom. So once you got the wire, you can just put the cover back. Just this in. Yeah, it's fitting properly. Just need to tighten the screws. For tightening the screws, we need to put the plastic pins back. One more pin. Done. So this is back. Now we need to run this wire to the other side of the car. So wire is run behind this from right side of the car to left side. Came out from the left side, and all the wires were zip tied and tucked inside. Connector is done. Everything is, all the extra wire is tied up with using zip ties inside the bumper. Let's see how it works.